Mathematics is indeed a difficult subject considered by the most students. The difficulty in operation of integers performed by the students urged the mathematics department to undertake a possible solution through a project entitled MDAS Upgraded. Project MDAS Upgraded means motivating and developing arithmetic skills aims to develop students' interest in answering mathematical problems involving signed numbers, thus identifying how non-numerate students develop their performance in mathematics subject as well as in dealing with real-life situations.
MPS is one of the performance indicators in school, and the MPS of grade 8 mathematics for the past 3 years are 39.64, 46.05, and 40.39%, which is really fluctuating. We have conducted DD card tests for grade 8 students, and there are 328 under developing and 312 students under the beginning level. And under the beginning level, it is composed of the total 42.56% of the grade 8 students. And our broad problem statement is out of 732 grade 8 students of San Isidro National High School, 640 or 87.43% are non-numerates based on the DD card test school year 2019-2020. We have conducted survey and we used the home factor, learners factor, teachers factor, schools factor, and learners references.
Based from our interview from our students, we have come up with the affinity diagram. The home factor, learner's factor, teacher factor, school factor, learner's reference, mga pinapagawa ng guro sa klase, pagpapaliwanag ng guro, mga ginagamit sa pagtuturo, follow-up ng learning, paggawa ng takdang aralin sa bahay, mga paraan ng pagkatuto. From the process owner, time management, duties and responsibilities, classroom management, strategies, materials used in activities. And in this diagram, it only shows that the results were interrelated to each other.
The table shows what takes place during the teaching and learning process. This diagram presents the problems encountered by the teacher during the teaching and learning process. As we can see, during the pre-activities, lack of time hindered the teacher to finish the conduct of the drill, the profiling of students, and then the identification of the non-numerates, while activity proper revealed that some students don't have mastery on applying the rules on performing operations on signed numbers. And in the post-activities, it was divulged that some students are still under the beginning level when it comes to performing operations on signed numbers.
This shows the YY diagram, which is used in order to identify the root cause of the problem. Based on the YY diagram, the following root causes were validated. First, the probable cause was lack of enough time to do the various activities. Even though there are available materials with various activities, the allotted time to answer it was limited. Next, activities must be based on the interests of the students. Most of the activities employed by the teachers were based on the interests of the students, but it cannot cater all of the different types of learners at the same time. Therefore, it was discussed with the concerned teachers. Then, lack of strategies, review, drill, and art of questioning was also a probable cause.
The objective statement at the end of the school year 2019-2020, 312 grade 8 non-numerates of San Isidro National High School should be lessened by at least 50% or 156 students will become numerates in operations on integers. So here's the table for recommended improvement. The first and the second column are the priority root causes and the solutions. What are the recommendations? First, assign teachers to do materials per grading for each grade level respectively. Second, conduct survey on students' interest on how would they learn faster, then make activities anchored to those interests. Attend seminars or search on different ways on how to improve art of questioning. Fourth, conduct activities mapping for each lessons and see if the activities are aligned with the lesson. If not, try to develop new activities that are aligned with the lessons. Finally, try to write all the possible questions on lesson log to be more prepared in throwing questions.
The table shows the future SIPOC. It can be seen here that the difference from the current SIPOC are the following: 555 exercise, discussion using songs, and integration of storytelling. SIPOC future state. For the pre-activities, we have reviewing the rules on operation on integers as well as drill, activity proper, individual exercise, comprehension check using written works, which includes 555 exercise, small group activity, video clips, discussion using songs, and integration of storytelling. For the post activities, we have the post test.
The table shows the students we got for the pilot solution. So we selected 3 sections and we got a total of 63 students, and only 44 was under subtraction of integers. After the 2 weeks of application of different strategies, the result shows that 38 out of 44 students were lifted from beginning level to the AP, B, and A, and that is 86.36% of improvement. So we must take note that there are a total of 92 non-numeric students under beginning level, and 44 is 48% of the total non-numerics in subtraction of integers. These are the list of students. These are the interview. These are the improvement highlights on the pilot testing, and these are the steps taken after the pilot testing.
The table shows the result of the pretest. The post-test result, there are 550 grade 8 students are under the developing and 55 left in the beginning for both addition and subtraction. To sum it up, 97 students started as beginners are now in the developing stage in addition, while 171 students for subtraction. Objective statement. At the end of the school year 2019-2020, 312 grade 8 non-numerates of San Isidro National High School should be lessened by at least 50%, or 156 students will become numerates in operation on integers. For the progress, at the end of the school year 2019-2020, 312 grade 8 non-numerates of San Isidro National High School was lessened by at least 82.37%, or 257 students now become numerates in operation on integers. Lesson learned. Number 1. Project MDANS upgraded is proven effective in reducing the number of non-numerates and therefore should be implemented yearly. Number 2. The result revealed that subtraction is the hardest among the 4 basic operations of integers. Therefore, a separate program that would address this problem should be created, tested, and implemented next school year. And lastly, it was revealed that in the future SIPOC that 555 exercises, discussion using song, and integration of storytelling were the key factors for the success of the CIM that's upgraded. Therefore, it is highly recommended to use those strategy even in other topics related to mathematics.